Ito yung graveyard ng Norwegian graveyard. I am visiting a friend. His name is Morten Johansen. He's a really good friend of us. And ito yung cemetery ng Norwegian, guys. Ganito siya. Ganyan. So today is January 1 and I'm visiting an old friend. Morten Johansen. Ano siya? Ganyan lang yung cemetery nila. Ganito. Lahat yan. Ganyan. So, ganito lang yung Good net or alasaman. Happy New Year sa mga loved ones natin na sumakabilang buhay na. Yeah. Happy New Year sa amin. Happy New Year to my pops. He's now in heaven.